Today we will discuss about matters. Class 9 chapter 2 chemistry. The matter around us pure. Today we will discuss about the is matter around us pure. This is the chapter number 2 of your 9th class, and firstly we will discuss about the matter. What is matter? Matter anything which occupy a space and having mass is called matter. We had already read about the matter. There are 5 kinds of matter. As we know, there are 5 kinds of matter: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensate (BEC). So in this chapter we will discuss about the matters around us is pure or impure. So we classify pure matter and impure matters. So according to this chapter, the matter is to be classified into 2 groups. We will discuss these things in previous classes. In this chapter we discuss about the matter. So matter belongs matter present in nature according to matter present in nature, we will classify matter into 2 parts. That is, first one is a pure and second one is impure. pure matter consists of the substance which is made up of only one kind of things are called pure matter. It can be classified into two groups, element and compound. Pure matter is classified into two groups, element and compounds, and impure matter can be classified into two groups, that is heterogeneous and homogeneous. Homogeneous and heterogeneous. In pure matter, only one kind of substances are present, but in case of impure, there is a mixture of substance. Element, this is the purest form. Such as sodium, potassium, calcium, etc. And compound, if two or more than two elements, two or more than two elements combined in fixed proportion by their mass is called compound. Two or more than two elements combined together in fixed proportion of mass is called compound. So compound may be either homogeneous or heterogeneous. Compound may be either homogeneous or heterogeneous. Compound may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous, homo means same. If two same kind of element combined together, as for example hydrogen combines with hydrogen, they form H2. It may be molecules or compound. Similarly, oxygen combined with oxygen, it will form O2 molecules. So this compound is known as homogeneous. And in case of heterogeneous, if one kind of element combined with another kind of element, such as HCl, Similarly, H plus H plus S plus 4 molecules of oxygen, then H2SO4, 2H and 4 oxygen combined with 1 atom of sulfur. This one is also H2SO4. So this one is a heterogeneous compound and that one is homogeneous. The compound, the two or more than two elements combined together, that is in fixed proportion, is called homogeneous compound, and the compound which combined together in not a same kind of element but the different kind of element, and for example hydrogen combined with chlorine, this is known as heterogeneous compound. So compound can be classified into two groups, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Compound is also a pure form of matter. Compound is also a pure form of matter. Similarly, element is the purest form, such as sodium, potassium, calcium, hydrogen, etc. So we will discuss about the matter. Matter is classified according to their presentation in nature. They are present in nature in two forms, pure and impure form. Pure form of matter is classified into elements and compounds, and impure form of matter is classified into homogeneous and heterogeneous. Impure, that means they have some mixture, and pure means that is the only one kind of things are present. So we will discuss in this class we will discuss about the, according to nature, matter is classified into pure and impure. A pure form is further classified into elements and compounds. Now we will proceed about the impure matter. Stop.